Alright guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. I'd like to introduce you. This vehicle is 2 years old, and what we're going to do, the client come to me and he's saying to me, Eric, I left the car under the tree for a whole year. So we got tree residue, went to the paint, and we need to resolve it. Has been sat literally 1 year, such a long time, so went through the clear coat, okay? So I'm going to explain to you on a boat right here, what does it mean, what we against, and what does it mean clear coat, base color coat, prime coat, and metal all the way down. Let's say guys, what we got with this Volvo, what the problems with the tree set. So let's say the tree sitting on the top of the clear coat and during the time coming down, okay, because working as an assets. So it's going down to the clear coat. What we against here with this lovely car, we against literally the residue from the tree went all the way down the base coat right here, this section, okay? So as it come down, we are limited with the polisher, take it off literally from the clear coat, everything. So there's a little bit of residue still there, but would be much big improvement, because everything from here, from the clear coat, you see the blue line, everything from here, we need to remove it. But again, there's a certain amount of thickness of the clear coat. I'm going to explain to you now. So there is a certain amount clear coat, okay? So with this vehicle, I'm going to show you just prime example. So this is a clear coat. Every car have a certain amount of clear coat. This car have a 102 microns, okay? So this is the thickness clear coat, and then we got base color coat, primer coat, and metal. So this clear coat, what we're working on, is that thin. You see how thin is it? It's very thin. Usually in the Porsches and premium cars or high-end cars, there's much more thickness, okay? Like BMW, Mercedes, this is 250 microns. So what we're working on, 102 microns. Only this blue line, what you see. So we need to know how long we stay with the polisher, how long we polish the car, because with this massive problem what we got now on a bonnet, we need to use 3-stage polishing. So heavy compounder, medium cut, and refine it. But like I said, what we have problem already from the saturate, literally everything went down to the base coat halfway. So we are limited, okay? But the car would be big results. I would say the improvement will be 95%. So how we approach decontamination outside, just give you a little bit idea. So we done snow foam wash, safe bucket wash, then we used the clay bar, didn't work, liquid clay bar haven't worked. So what I need to do with this, shave it. So we shave the clear coat with these razors, plastic razors. This is brand new. See, it's completely different color because the car is completely covered with this tree set. So I need to shave it, and after shave, we need to polish it. So now I'm going to show you how it's possible to shave it. So it's bit by bit, but you need to be really, really careful when you do this, guys, because the clear coat is very thin. So the whole purpose to smooth down this and shave it, okay? After that, once we shave, we treat every single one with a time remover. So we put this little gel there from time remover. We let it sit 5 minutes. And what you're going to do, what you're going to see, you would see this result here, what we already put time remover, but it's still in a lacquer, okay, those ones. So we need to polish with a heavy cut, medium cut, and refine the paint.
freak. Freak, keep staring, but you keep close. Check the lava from the summer, make my legs long. Touch in my bed clothes. Asking questions, all my friends are fake. Whoa. Do rag activity. Do rag activity. Do rag activity. Do rag activity.
The energy is 666 and minus plus. And gotta put them crosses on before we met. But time we taking out today, my type of stress. I send them west, but we're surprised they gon'
So guys, we finished this XC40 Volvo, literally is 2 years old vehicle. What we did, we have a little bit of challenge last 3 days. What we did, completely been sitting under the tree, so sap tree residue went on a vehicle, covered completely. So what we did, completely decontamination, we used plastic razors and time remover to remove the defects from the paint, and then 3-stage polishing. You will see on a video come beautifully, and it's preserve, protect, and free of tree sat. So if you got any inquiry, please contact Easy Car Detailing. Thank you for your support on the YouTube channel, and all the best to you, all of you. Thank you.
in about 2 weeks, but how you doing? But this Bugatti cost me 3, I tend to do it. If it's beef, it's paid, agree, my dogs can do it. Making blues right after blues is how she put it. Beat up, my boy got to me, she running through it. Keep talking wreck when we do crashes, having shrimps. Talking money when I'm on the pellet, time for the endurance.